Well, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And I got one today from Hong Kong. Crazy times in Hong Kong right now. Hope everybody's doing aight. This is Nissin Demae Ramen Exo Sauce Seafood flavor. They changed the packaging a little bit, so I decided to give it another shot. I've enjoyed this in the past, and I'm sure I'll enjoy it in the future, and I'm sure there's probably nothing different about it. But, you know, that's one of the things I allow is things that get new packaging get a new number. Come on, clock. 3 minutes. Yeah, my timer is acting a little cuckoo. It's not a cuckoo clock, but it's acting kind of cuckoo. So how's it going for everybody? I had a bit of a shock last night. So I know a lot of you have mentioned over the last couple of years, like, dude, you lost a lot of weight. What have you been doing to lose weight? The most recent one was like, I don't mean to be disrespectful, but how are you losing weight? I've had people think that I've got cancer. I've had people thought that I've had a myriad of different affectations, this and that. People thought I was on meth. No, I literally diet and exercise. Well, the opposite works though if you cut one of those things out. So say you diet a lot, but you don't move around much. That'll not have the effects you're looking for. And adversely, if you are like me and at times a victim of deliciousness and you exercise, yeah, that doesn't work either. So the lowest I got was 200 pounds. People were like worried for my health at that point. My doctor was like, dude, take a break. You're doing fine. Well, I kind of took his advice. The first time I took his advice, I lost 165 pounds. I took his advice this time and I gained back 50. Yeah, so it's like, I thought last month I did really good, but not as good as I'd hoped. So I'm going to, man, and I've been just enjoying beer so much. Oh well. I read a lot saying that that will definitely, I mean, if you're gonna have beer, you gotta have pretzels, right? I love good pretzels. And I've been loving pretzels a lot lately. And yeah, so. For me, when I see things like that, that it's just like, oh crap, it's just like, oh crap, okay. I mean, you can sit there and go like, oh no, what am I gonna do? I'm doomed, I'm doomed. There's nothing to worry about, man. You just got shit to do. That's all it really comes down to. If you want to fix things, just fix them. Fix it! So that's my little speech, and I'm really hoping that by the time you see this video, which may be like September 30th, hopefully I'll have lost half of that weight that I put on, because it's January 6th right, or July. You gotta learn to talk too. But it's July 6th currently, and it's my wife and I's wedding anniversary today. Thank you very much. So hopefully she'll be feeling better, I'll be doing better, I'll be doing all my walking, I'll be fighting fit as a Pokemon. Yeah. It's tough though. It's like I've got a whole list of things I'm cutting back on. Pizza, ice cream, beer. Those are like my main things. If I get those completely out, I'm good to go. Those are like my 3 favorite things. However, I'd rather get rid of those than gain any more weight. And also, I'm really good at getting a lot of steps in. Not only that, I read stuff saying that gaining weight will cause your feet to get mad. So that's my first thing. I was gonna go to the foot clinic and all this stuff, and I'm thinking like, you know what? When I had any of the issues that I've had in the past went away as soon as I lost a ton of weight. So that is what I'm gonna do. And if my feet are still jacked up, then I'll go to the foot people. I'll have to admit too, I've been throwing away as much ramen. But I'm still gonna do mukbang. I can work that in, like, you know. All I had today was my oatmeal and my vitamins. So I'm gonna do a mukbang in a bit. But as far as like slurping down a ton of noodles, that's it. So the only time I get to have noodles is when they hurt me. So yeah. Yeah. But I've had like friends and family members who've just been like, what do I do? I can't do anything. It's like, sure you can. You can do it. You just have to want it bad enough. Here's the broth. Mmm. Savory. Alright. What did I forget here? Okay, I need mung bean sprouts. I need our seafood. Let me grab that. Our seafood. Oh, I need our mung bean sprouts. What I just said. Where'd they go? That. Oh, I see what that is. But where's my mung bean sprouts? Are they? Are they them? They be them. Okay. My mung bean sprouts. These are my favorite brand of mung bean sprouts. God, they're gonna go bad. They're probably almost bad already. That's what drives me nuts about mung bean sprouts. They don't have much staying power. Alright, so let's get this happening. Rotato. Oh, and I wanted to make a shout out to some people on the Facebook page for the Ramen Raider. They're like, what you need to do is go back to doing videos the way you used to. It's for the top 10 list. And it's like, I wish I could, but I just don't have time. Not currently. Check out this bowl. This came from Nissin, Japan, actually. Not Hong Kong, but it's got the Demae Ramen logo on it. So I do have bowls that the Nissin Hong Kong folks sent me. But I think this bowl will work extra good on this one. Yes, yes. Time to make some fancy noodles that aren't going to get eaten. That drives people nuts. I try to kind of keep that on the down low these days. But yeah, I mean, I haven't been eating a lot of noodles. But I've been eating a lot of pizza and beer. And this, boy, chashu, let me tell you, it's hard to leave alone when you make like homemade chashu that comes out like that. It's freaking lovely stuff. It's too big though, this stuff's too big. You know what I mean? It's just too big. That was when we took I got half a pork belly and we just rolled that up. Just didn't work out right. What else do I got? I think that's seafoody enough. Let's add some let's add some green onion with our friend Holy Slicer. Hey Holy Slicer, how are you doing today? Oh, I'm gonna add some mung bean sprouts too. Let's get going here with Holy Slicer. But yeah, I can definitely do the mukbang still. I've got the stuff I use, you know, I've got a Fitbit and I've got a, what is that thing called? My Fitness Pal. That thing is where it's at, I tell you. If you want to lose weight, just be like totally religious about it, log everything with that. And that app makes it really easy. I swear they should pay me, because if anybody asks me, how do you lose your weight? I just mentioned those two things and I'm like happy to shill for those things. Mung bean sprouts. But yeah, I kind of started today buckling down on it, and it's going good so far, so. Come on. Good enough for me. Yeah? No. Why did it no? No. Well, there. Will that make you happy? Better. Let's have some different tunes. Crank it up a little bit. Sesame seed. A little bit of oil. Oil it up. Ooh, greasy. A little bit of shichimi. There you go. There we are. Thanks for watching, and the next one we're going to do is this Thai variety. This is Thai Chef Shrimp Creamy Tom Yum. It's by Mama. And Mama always do us right, doesn't she? I think so.